remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yes, I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we rust about how to make money online, how to do your investments, and how to do your own business and how to start your own online company. Yes, so today I want to show you how you can withdraw USDT into your mobile money wallet. I hope it sounds funny though, but I want to show you how you can withdraw USDT into your mobile money without any stress. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to show you. Yeah, so first of all, you can use Eversend to do it, you can use Xness, and you can use Binance to do it. But let me start with Xness. Let me start with a Eversend. Yeah, Eversend. Yeah, so you can download Eversend from Play Store, then you register everything on Eversend. Yeah. So when you open Eversend, this is how Eversend looks like. This how Eversend looks like. Yeah. So this how you do it. You see that we have Ghana cities, we have Kenya shillings, we have Naira, we have Rwanda francs, Ghana shillings, USD, is that thing? Yeah, so we have a lot over here. So this how you will do it. You go to more. So let me show you where the more is. This is the more. Yeah, so this where the more is. Yeah. Yeah, so you click on the more, then you go to crypto, then you see we have invest statement, you click on the invest. So you choose USDT. Yeah. Yeah, so you choose USDT. So this is where the USDT is. Yeah. So let's assume you have USDT in account and you want to transfer it into your mobile money wallet. This is how you will do it. It's very, very simple. Yeah, so you go to trade, then you go to what, sell it. The reason why I chose sell is what it means that I'm transferring or I'm selling the USDT into mobile money. It's that thing. So I can choose, let's say, 100 USDT and I'll receive 1,257 Ghana cedis in my mobile money wallet. I hope you understand. Yeah. And this one, you will receive the money in your mobile money wallet straight because in this account they have mobile money, they have Ghana cedis wallet over there. So it means that it's in your wallet directly. So if the money is in your Ghana wallet, transferring the money from that Ghana wallet to Momo is free. So let me show you. Yeah. So if you click on continue, you'll transfer the USDT to Ghana cedis. So when I come to the home screen, the balance, you will see that the 1,275 will appear in my Ghana wallet. So let me go to my cedis wallet. So it will appear in my Ghana cedis wallet. Yeah. Then I'll go to send. I'll go here. That's a send. Yeah. So I'll go to send. Then I'll choose mobile. But let me explain all this one by one. The Eversend means that you want to send money to people who are using Eversend in your contact list. So these are people in my contact list that are using Eversend, that I do business with. And when I choose bank to, it means that I'm sending the money to my bank account. And this one is I want to buy airtime. It's right thing. Yeah. So I will choose mobile. So the mobile, I have two accounts that I've joined, but this is my main one. So I'll choose this one. This wallet to send the money to this account. Yeah. So I'll go here and click on it. So like there is a major outage with sending money to Ghana Mobile Money account right now. So maybe it's busy. So that's how at times it do. Like when people are sending money, you see it right now, Binance pay to pay for Nigerians are way something. So it makes this thing do that always. So you let me choose bank and see. Yeah. So the mobile money and the bank, they are all the same, but because the outage is very high over there, that's why I'm choosing here to show you. If you're doing it, it is same. Yeah, so when I choose the 1255, you see that the fee is zero. So sending money from your Ghana wallet to your mobile money account or your Ghana Cedis account, your bank account is free. They don't charge you anything. It's free. Yeah. So that's how you send your USDT to your mobile money wallet without any stress. Yeah. So people will say that, so how can I get USDT in my Everson account? So when you go to the mall again, crypto invest, you see that there's what receive over here. So the receive, you see. So you choose the one you want. That's, you see the TRC fee is very high, 2.6 USDT, and you can use Binance Smart Chain, that's 0.1, Polygon 0.1. So you search for what is very low for you. So I can choose to do with Polygon, or let's say Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, and I'll copy my address over here. Then I'll go to Binance, or then I'll send the money to my Exchange account. And after that, I would exchange the currency into Ghana cedis and I'll withdraw it. Yeah. So here I have Ghana wallet over here. That's the same as what my mobile money wallet. So sending money from that wallet to my mobile money wallet is free. They don't charge me anything. Yeah, they don't charge me anything. So sending money from that account to mobile money account is free. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. Yeah, and I've done a lot of videos about everything, how you can use everything to make money like this. I think I've made a lot of videos about this thing. Yeah. So if I go on and on, you see that I've been using this platform very, very, very well to cash out. Is that I think? Yeah, to cash out a lot, and it goes on like that. Yeah. So you can get this platform on Play Store. When you go to Play Store, you just enter Evercent over there. You see it, then you install. It's as simple as that. Yeah. So I'm done, and thank you for watching me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Randall Tech Online Business Ideas. So don't forget to subscribe, and let's win together. I'm out.